All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Disney 11 by 14 frame, the winner's choice. So we'll check the time, April 21st at 2:24 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got April 21st at 2:24 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There it's not going to work. There's 9. 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Robert. Spot 10 is your winner. So, Robert, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, April 21st, 2:25 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.